PhraseExpress pairs up with a macro recorder application that is actually called Macro Recorder that will allow you to create phrases or shortcuts that are used to launch programs, for example. So let's create one to actually launch PhraseExpress. So I'm here in PhraseExpress, and I'm just going to go here to where it says My Macros. It's just a folder that I created. I'm going to right click on that and say new phrase. And I'm going to call this one Open PhraseExpress. Now, the content of the phrase is I want it to be an automation because I wanted to launch a program. So I'm just going to go here to the tab that says phrase content, and I'm going to click on automation, and I'm going to say run program. Now, of course, here, what is the program that I want to run? I want to run PhraseExpress. So I have to give the program the file path of where I want, where the executable file for my program is. So I have that ready here on a separate window. I found it, I found the location of the file that I need. And so this is actually, it's called phraseexpress.exe, and this is the location. So I'm going to copy that, paste it here, and add phraseexpress.exe. And so that's the file that I want to launch. And now what I need to do next is I need to add a hotkey. So what, or a hotkey combination, a shortcut to launch the program. So I'm going to add here, I'm going to use Control Alt, and then P, just Control Alt P. That's going to be my shortcut combination to launch the program. And so I'm going to close it now, close this, and I'm going to press my combination, my shortcut, and I did Control Alt P, and then that opens the window for me. Of course, it was already running, but as an example here, I also have opening Word. See, in my, you can see that my shortcut is Control Alt W, and if I press those, that's going to happen. Now, I can also launch websites. For example, here I have an example I created to open Lingui, and if I click on that, you can see that this is going to open this web page, and that's going to be the website or web page that's going to open. And my combination is Alt and the Windows key and L. So you can add, by using that automation option, you can add phrases or shortcuts to open programs, open web pages, open files. You just need to know the location of what you want to open.